After all this configuration, we need to assign the payment method in vendor master data. What we have to do? We have to assign the payment method in vendor master data. For that, go to T code FK02. Here, in this new window, we have to make certain entries. So I'll enter the vendor account number and the company code. After entering the vendor account number and the company code, I'll just select the payment transaction checkbox which is under the company code data and I hit enter key. And now in this screen, under the automatic payment transactions, I'll assign the payment method A in this field and then I'll click on the save button. Let me assign another vendor as well. Okay, now I have assigned my payment method to both the vendors. What I'll do now is I'll create some invoices as an end user so that the documents can be posted using the automatic payment program. From SAP Easy Access, what I'll do is I'll use the menu part to post the vendor invoices. Now I'll go ahead and post the invoice. But if you observe here, after entering the vendor account and going to next screen, the payment method is not populating automatically during the creation of the vendor invoice. Correct, right? But guys, don't worry, this is just a normal behavior of the system. Okay? Yes. Now I'll just go ahead and create the invoice with the payment method as blank. Okay? Yes, I have now created the three documents. That is, document 800010 for the amount of 10,000 for the vendor Vodafone and the document 800011 for the amount of 15,000 for the vendor Airtel and for the document 800012 for the amount of 30,000 for the vendor Vodafone. So while making the payments, I have removed the payment terms A, B, C2 so that the document will be due for the payment. So guys, after posting the invoice, what we have to do is we have to see the line item report of vendor. So guys, this is the FBL1 end screen. And here I'll enter the vendor account number, that is Airtel and Vodafone. And then I'll enter the company code and after that I'll select all items and then click on the execute button. Here we can see all the open items. And now to clear all the open items and to make the payment, I'll use the APP process, that is automatic payment program. To make the automatic payment, we need to assign the payment method. What we have to do? We need to assign the payment method. So, for assigning the payment method, we have got two options. One, while creating the vendor invoice, and another option is when we are creating the payment run in automatic payment processing. So guys, let me show you how we do that. So, I'll manually assign the payment method A to all these open documents. For that, I'll double click on the individual documents and here I'll click on the change icon to enter into the change mode. Okay, now here I'll just add the payment method A to the documents. What I'll do, I'll just add the payment method A to the documents. So all the invoices have the same payment method. Guys, now we have all the required configurations and business transactions in place. So guys, let's create the payment run and see whether the documents will be posted or not in next video.